Hello! This is the video on how I create my rainbow card bases using Copic markers. See, I have got a card base. This is Nina, 110 pound. I think it's Classic Crest Solar White. So it's really nice and sturdy, but if you don't want any of the colors bleeding through, you will need to cut out a panel and pop on top of a card base later. So the first color is Y18, and then I moved on to Y06, and next color is Y13. And you will see me going back and forth to kind of, I add a little bit of color and then I will blend the colors both upwards and downwards just to kind of get a little bit of a smoother blend. It doesn't have to be perfect, obviously, because it's not going to be, it's not one single color, it's several different colors. So we're just trying to smooth it out a little bit. And that was G43. And then we're going to go back in with Y13 again and just add a little bit more yellow to that color and soften the edge. So, and then the next color is G43, which looks very similar, but it is different. So once they two mix, they will kind of make another color, and so on and so on. So we're just going to go through all of these colors, and then we're going to G24. Again, I did kind of make a mistake here. I shouldn't have added more G24 here, but I think I grabbed that one by mistake and meant to go for the G14 instead. But it kind of worked out anyway. You just have to blend, or just add more color on top just to try to, achieve the look that you want, basically. So this one is BG32, and you can see that I'm going quite far down onto the green and then back up again. And while the paper is wet, it's going to look a little bit funny, but don't worry about that, because once it dries, it will even out a lot more. So don't think that it's going to be perfect right away or while you're doing it. Sometimes you just need to let it sit and kind of dry for a bit before you'll see the final results. So don't give up, just keep on doing it. And then we're back to G34 to even out that BG34 and to blend out the BG15. And then we're going to go dark with BG18. Look at that. And then you think, ooh, that is far too sharp of a border. So we're going to go back with the BG15 and blend. And then we're going to go dark. So this is jump from BG18 to B37. If you want really, really dark blue here, you could go B39 even. And then we're adding a little bit more of BG18 to blend that blue edge. And then we're hopping off to B28, which is a really rich blue. I love this blue. It's gorgeous. And then the next color is B26. So we're going up a little bit and then down, adding lots of ink on this bit and softening up that edge. And then we're hopping off to B17. So we're going to add a little bit of purple into this, or at least build up to a purple. In the lineup here, the next color I'm going to go for is a V09, which I don't actually have in the lineup right now, but you will see me going off for a little sec and come back, and there it is. So just to add a little bit of a darker color there too, like more intense purple. And then we are going back with the V17 to blend out that edge. I do have a sheet of acetate under this bit as well, just to sort of save my work mat a little bit. Because even though I have cleaners to clean it off, I prefer to use an acetate sheet. And then we're going to go and add some pink. So this is RB66. And we're going to go into the purple there to kind of blend it out from the purple into the pink. And then it's RB17. lovely, rich, sort of fuchsia color. And then we're gonna go in with a little bit more RV66 to add more pinkness. And then we're going to go for RV63, but this one I realized was very, very dry, so that is also going to go on my re-inking list. So I did go into my collection and grabbed a RV21 as well, which will be the final pink color at the top there. But you can kind of see, even with the dry nib, you can see that I'm getting a little bit of that sort of pattern and the blend in as well. And apparently I did not film the RV21, but you can see it in the lineup. And if you pause right here, you can write down every single one of the markers that I've used. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this inspiring, and I can't wait to see your projects.